record a route on your Suunto 5 or Suunto 9 watch, you will need to go onto the Suunto application. And make sure that you are not into inactivity mode on your watch, because otherwise it will show as busy. So you'll need to go at the map logo at the very bottom in the middle. And then you can just move anywhere on the map. So let's say I want to start a ride here. You can say save as POE, but what we want to do is a route. So I'm going to say start here. So that's my point A, and I want to go to, let's say, Sherbrooke, just right here. So I now have a route to go just right there, and maybe that after that I want to go to Magog. So I now have a 74 kilometers ride, and it just looked like this, and I'm satisfied with that. So I'm gonna hit done. You see at the bottom, you see your distance, your ascent, and the approximate time needed to do it, which is not fast. Yes, because I said that I am on foot, so I can change it to cycling, and the next time I will hit somewhere, it will adjust it for a cycling route. So when you're done, you hit, I say I want to use it in watch, so I will enable this one, but it doesn't work every time. So I will say save, I will give it a name. So this one will be how to route, and save. From here I can say that yes, it have work. Here it says use and watch, but if I want to remove it, I can remove it. If I want to put it back, I can put it back. And if I come back here to the home screen, I can go into the watch on the upper right corner and say sync. So by doing this, if I come back to the watch and go up to navigation, well, I now have one route, and it's my auto route of 74 kilometers. So if I hit here, I will see my same travel as I see before here. Of course, you won't see the street names and all those things. You will just see the line, but it will match perfectly to the route that we have saw on the application. So when you're ready to go, you hit navigate on top here, and of course you need to be on site and outside with GPS signal. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.